Let's have a look at a few spreadsheet tricks. I want to show you a quick trick for combining two columns into one. So in this case, we've got first and last name as two separate columns, but the Disco contact database has got a single column for name. Okay, so here's our example, first name, last name. So here's the formula to join these together. I've got it written there, but let's just type it out. So equals, and then choose the column for the first one. Then there's an AND function. So just to show you, if I go this column and this column, enter. And it suggests to autofill. I don't want to do that right now. So cool, let's put both names, but they're completely connected. So I've got to add a space. You do that by saying and, then a space, but then I've got to also add another and so that we get that next column. Now we've got a space. Then you can grab the little square in the corner there and just drag down, and it copies that formula all the way down. And now I've got our one column for the name. Another option is adding these two columns together, but I also want to have a comma. So we'll do the same thing, equals this column and quote, comma, space, quote, and this column. In this case, I will say, yes, please autofill.